Paragraph on mobile phones. The mobile phone has become the most popular gadget in today's world. The reason for this is that it is portable and versatile. Mobile phones are now carried at all times by most people, allowing us to stay in touch with family, friends, and colleagues wherever we are. Furthermore, they now have many more functions than a standard telephone. Mobile phone users can send text messages, surf the internet, take photos, and listen to music as well as making calls. Mobiles have become fashion accessories and they have revolutionized the way we communicate. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.